welcome. Today we are looking at English paper 3, questions and answers. Kindly subscribe. You either write a composition ending with the following words: the events of that day will remain etched in my mind forever, or discuss how young people can use their talent for personal development. So this is an imaginative composition. So this is how this already you've been told by your teacher how what is being tested. But now, as you're writing this in this specific imaginative composition, remember it must be a story. In this, write a composition ending with the following words: the events of that day will remain etched in my mind forever. So it must be a story. If not, you'll be deducted 4 marks. And it must end with the given statement. If it does not end, you'll be deducted 2 marks. Or you choose either you discuss how young people can use their talent for personal development. So this is a expository essay. So it must be expository essay. It must highlight the significance of talent in a young person's life. And then the candidate must show a clear understanding of talent. The candidate must support the essay with adequate examples to earn full marks. And then the focus of the essay is not the points, but rather the language ability of the candidate.